Step 10, continue to take personal inventory, and when we were wrong, promptly admitted it. Step 10 is the beginning of what people describe as the infinite steps. Some people refer to the first 9 steps as finite. You could argue they have a beginning and an end, but really all steps 4 through 9 are trying to show us is how to work step 10 as a way of life going forward. Embedded in step 10 is a formula to use on a daily basis. Some people describe it as 3 words: watch, ask, turn. The formula is continue to watch for selfishness, dishonesty, resentment, and fear when they crop up, not if they do, when they do, because defects tend to grow back like a weed. When they crop up, we ask our higher power, it wants to remove them, first things first. We talk to somebody if we need some objectivity on it or some advice. We make amends quickly if we've harmed them, because many times we will say something or take some actions that need to be affixed in real time, and then we resolutely turn our thoughts to someone we can help. Resolutely means forcefully, and we must, once we learn this process, instead of dwelling on our problems and letting them handicap us, we must force ourselves to look away from ourselves onto who we can help. When we learn this process, it is the beginning of the end of isolation from our higher power, from other people, and from ourselves.